Well, everyone, I got my hands on a new project. This is the 2000 Honda Accord LX. Now, with auction fees, I got this car for around $470, which I would say is pretty good. So I'm gonna try to fix this thing up and resell it and see if I can make a profit. Before we start working on this car, let's give it a nice clean and see where we're at. Now I'm gonna clean the inside of this car because it's pretty dirty. Off camera, I just wiped everything down, vacuumed more, vacuumed the seats. Now it looks really good in here. And now, let's start sanding and painting the bumper and the fender. Okay, so I just finished sanding with the 400 grit. I still have to do 600 and 800, but you guys are not gonna see that. So while I was working on the bumper, I also put Bondo on the fender. Now I'm gonna have to sand it down, make it nice and smooth, and then we're gonna primer this and the bumper because there was some damage on this. So I got these clips for the bumper so the bumper doesn't fall off. Here is what the car looks like now with the rear bumper on. Looks way better. All that I need to do now, there's some screws I need to screw into the bumper here, but I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. This is getting dark, so you guys probably not gonna see much. So yeah, it's looking good. Here is the fender that we bonded up and repainted, and it looks way better than it did before. Looks good on the car. And that is the end of today's video. In the next video, I'll be changing the engine mounts, the belts, the fender liners, and a couple other things. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.